All right, y'all, UPS just dropped this off. What's in the box? I kind of pre-opened it because trying to open this one-handed on the box was hard. But what is in the box, Elgato? Oh, yeah. So, there's this, which I'm really excited about. But there's one more thing. That one more thing is this from the contest. I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Elgato. All right, so let's open this real quick. I do have a stream coming up directly from console. I'm not going to show my bedroom setup because there's no camera for me to be on right now. At least not when streaming from console. So I don't have a PS5 camera, and I'm not about to do all that when I have other stuff on the way. Oh my gosh, doing this is one-handed is just not easy. Oh, I can jiggle. I can jiggle. There we go. All right. So stream deck. This must be the cables and everything. This must be the MK2. Let's check it out. Now you won't be seeing it turned on or anything. You probably won't see that until 2 to 3 weeks because I'm currently waiting on a PC. So this thing is awesome. So this is essentially going to go over this, right? Yeah, it's going to do that, except it pops off. Hold on, y'all. All right, so popping off the top was a little challenging. I had to hold it upside down, so I wasn't going to show you doing all of that. But essentially, you can put the faceplate on and then dock it. And then there you go. Look how pretty that is. Very pretty. I'll probably move this out of the way. Look how pretty that is. I can't wait to use this alongside my Stream Deck XL. Thank you again, Elgato, for this. This is awesome.